There was once a sad mulberry tree, looking out of shape, living all alone in a flower pot. Now he is a mulberry bonsai, happy in a ceramic bonsai pot, growing new leaves and berries, looking beautiful, surrounded by friends in my bonsai garden. First, I'm going to give this mulberry a new bonsai pot. He is about 12 years old from cutting and big enough to make a Shohin Bonsai. The best time to repot the mulberry is early spring. You can learn more about the mulberry on jacklinbonsai.com. I will leave a link down below. Let's take the tree out of the pot. I will use a hammer to make it loose. We need to remove all the soil. It lived in the garden clay soil about 2 years. That's why it is sticky and hard. Clay soil is good for containing moisture, so you only need to water once a day. But it is old, dirty, and won't look good in a bonsai pot. He will get new and clean akadama soil. Use a root rake to loosen the soil. This might take a while. Now use the pruning shears to cut off 1/3 of its roots. It will fit better in a shallow pot. Mulberry trees grow very fast, and they don't need perfect condition to grow. They like sunshine or partly shade. However, if you want to grow more fruit, you will need fertilizer high in phosphorus. If you want more leaf and long branches, use fertilizer high in nitrogen. Time to cut those branches. These are too close to the roots. Don't throw them away just yet. You can use them as cuttings, so you can grow new mulberry trees. I'm going to remove the second trunk because I want a single trunk in formal upright. Use a knob cutter to make it smooth, or even a carving knife to make it close the trunk as possible. Let's continue cutting those branches. Cut off ones that point forward, cross each other, or are inside the trunk curve. This tree is too tall, so I will cut it here, at the end of the last curve. In the future, I will use wires to shape this tree, so I'm keeping all those branches. The ones I cut can be used as cuttings. All of those branches as well, even the tiny ones. I am cutting it deeper because the branch will be the apex. Plant them in a training pot with akadama soil. in about 1 month, it will grow leaves and flowers at the same time. This is why mulberry trees are great for bonsai. All of those are its buds and flowers. Simply beautiful. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so I can share my lessons with more people and grow the bonsai community. Now, let's pick a pot for our mulberry bonsai. Have a few different ones ready in case it doesn't work out. This one is a good size. This one is a little too small. Too shallow for this tree. Way too big for this tree. This is a maybe. I will choose this one. Now we can prepare the pot. If you don't know how, check out my video, Prepare Bonsai Pots. I will leave a link down below. Add the bottom layer of soil. The roots will like that. Here is a pro tip for you. You can change the height of the tree by adding or removing soil from the bottom layer. Put the tree into the pot. Use the arms of the wire to hold the tree. Bend them over the roots. Then twist the arms together. Make it more stable by pushing soil under. Wiggle, wiggle. Add more soil. Wiggle, wiggle again and again. Cut off the extra wire. Tighten the wire with the gene spreader. I will add smaller size Akdama soil on the top. This will fill the gaps. Don't use the smaller size soil for the whole pot, because it would wash away when watering. give it one more squeeze at the bottom. Now it is nice and tight. In part 2, we are going to air layer a mulberry bonsai tree. Make sure you hit the bell button. You will be notified when it is released.